Now check this out, yellow chrome. Gonna make your boring old headlights look like this. We're gonna use a product by Duplicolor called MetalCast. These headlights are Mazda Speed 3 on the 2011, and they're made by Spyder Automotives. Let's get this tutorial started. Alright, on the back, 4 screws. Phillips head screwdriver, take off the paper. Keep this in the oven for 15 minutes. Right, see how that's just popped out? Leverage, that's it. Oh, easy Permaseal. And as you can see, the Permaseal is still intact all around the edge of the lens. How cool is that, yeah? Okay, so objective is to just spray this part, because everything else is black. I think it's like a matte black. Anyways, take those two off. So now, next thing we do, to mask off, take some plastic bags, put it all around the shroud, and you get something like this. This step, clean the surface. We're gonna use alcohol. Now the surface is, probably clean, as it is. Dust out any debris. Get your Corona mask. Duplicolor. You have to put 2 light coats and 1 heavy coat. Done 3. That's it, let it cure for 24 hours. Ooh-wee. Okay, alright, we're getting somewhere. Let's go take this wrap off. We're gonna take off, how many minutes? Yeah, we're gonna take off all the plastic wrapping stuff around here. Look at that. Nice and clean. Alright, let's go put on our shrouds all around the projector. Oh jeez, look at the finish, guys. Matte black with a yellow reflector. It don't get better than this, guys. Really proud of this work. Alright, so before we seal it up, we're gonna take a box cutter and slice the Permaseal off, since this is a one-time use sealant and it's not gonna stick if I were to put it back on the headlight. As you can see, very thin. Very nice and very thin. Now, this is what remains of the Permaseal. This is the new sealant, and we're gonna put this all around the edge over here. Seal that on. We'll toss this into the oven, and then everything can be sealed up. Get ya heated up. This is upside down, but every time we reseal, clips. We're gonna put some LED upgrades. These are high beam, low beam. These are the turn signal, nice and white. Yeah, look how clear this lens is. This is beautiful. When you have the light activated, that's how it looks like. It looks very white with a hint of yellow, or actually a lot of yellow, to be honest. Thanks for watching, guys.